Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our series on starting your business with zero investment. In our last episode, we talked about venture capital, where investors provide funding to high growth startups in exchange for equity. But not every business needs venture capital. What if you just need a small loan to start or grow your business without giving up ownership? Good news! The Government of India has a special scheme for that, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, PMMY. Let's dive into how you can get a business loan up to 10 lakh rupees without collateral. What is the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, PMMY? The PMMY scheme was launched in 2015 to help small business owners, entrepreneurs, and self-employed individuals get loans without collateral. The goal? Encourage entrepreneurship, create jobs, and boost small businesses across India. Key features of the Mudra loan. Loan amount 50,000 rupee to 10 lakh rupees. No collateral required, 100% government backed. Loan tenure, flexible repayment between 3 to 5 years. Interest rate depends on your bank and credit profile. Processing fee, zero or very minimal. And the best part? This loan is specifically designed for small business owners and startups. Types of Mudra loans. The scheme is divided into 3 categories based on your business stage. 1. Shishu, up to 50,000 rupees for new business owners, startups. 2. Kishore, 50,000, 5 lakh rupees for growing businesses. 3. Tarun, 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees for well-established businesses needing larger funds. No matter what stage you're at, there's a Mudra loan for you. Who can apply for a Mudra loan? This scheme is open to small business owners, shopkeepers, traders, vendors, entrepreneurs starting new businesses, women entrepreneurs and self-employed individuals, micro manufacturers and transport operators. However, this loan cannot be used for personal expenses, education loans, or real estate investments. It's strictly for business purposes only. How to apply for a Mudra loan? Applying for a Mudra loan is easy, and here's how you can do it. Step 1. Choose a lender. Visit a bank or financial institution that offers Mudra loans. Public and private banks SBI, HDFC, ICICI, PNB, Bank of Baroda, Axis Bank. NBFCs and microfinance institutions for small-scale borrowers. Step 2. Prepare your documents. Basic KYC documents. Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, driving license. Business proof, GST certificate, trade license, or registration certificate. Address proof, utility bill or rental agreement. Financial and business documents. Business plan or project report. Last 6 months bank statements. Income tax returns, if applicable. Step 3. Submit your application. Fill out the Mudra loan application form at your chosen bank. Attach all necessary documents and business details. Step 4. Loan processing and approval. The bank will review your application and check your business viability. If approved, funds are disbursed within 7 to 15 days. That's it. Your business can get started or grow faster with Mudra funding. Why choose PMMY? No collateral needed, 100% government backed. Easy to apply, available in most banks and NBFCs. Encourages small businesses, especially beneficial for startups and women entrepreneurs. Flexible repayment, choose from 3 to 5 years. Where can you apply? Official Mudra website www.mudra.org.in. Bank websites, check SBI, HDFC, ICICI, PNB, Axis, etc. You can apply online or visit your nearest bank branch to get started. What's next? The Stand Up India scheme. Now, here's something even more exciting. We've talked about Mudra loans for small businesses, but what if you're from the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe community, or a woman entrepreneur looking for even bigger financial support? That's where the Stand Up India scheme comes in. In the next episode, I'll tell you how you can get up to 1 crore rupees funding under Stand Up India, the special benefits available for women and scheduled caste, scheduled tribe entrepreneurs, step-by-step application process and eligibility criteria. And tell me in the comments, what kind of business would you start with a Mudra loan? Let's discuss. Until next time, keep hustling, keep growing.